This is Gabriel de la Vega Jr. I started Taxi Paddler Mouth and Accessories Inc. in 1998. The reason I did that was because in 1996, I was studying computer science as a taxi driver through a correspondence school out of Pennsylvania. So I was completing the courses. I was just parked in the taxi line at the Las Vegas Strip, studying, before I pick up passengers. And I was studying the course, and I take the test there, and then I do a loop and drive down to the post office and drop it in the envelope box at the post office. And then they'd send me back my score, passing or failed. And I did good for a long time. But the first 2 months of that, I came up with an idea. First 2 months when I was studying that course, I came up with an idea of live mobile video. 3 words, live mobile video. I went to the post office, since I was right next to the Las Vegas airport. As you come out of Las Vegas airport, McCarran Airport, I went in there, I stamped it, went through the post office, sent it to the PTO, had the PTO post the patent office stamp it, send me back a stamp saying, well, we received it. Everybody in the Las Vegas airport, all the taxi drivers there knew I was working on that. They knew how to website up, and I did live mobile video since 1996. Okay. That was a poor man's way of doing it. To be honest with you, I was totally illiterate about patents. Didn't know anything about the process. Just read a little book on this, and that's how I learned about, that little tablet book that I picked up someplace on the poor man's patent. I thought I was 100% covered. I thought I was covered, and I did it. I got the stamp from the patent office. I thought I was covered. Come to find out, there's a lot more to a patent than just that. And then you're not really supposed to make it public, until you get the patent published. So I thought I was covered at that time. But anyway, 2003, I finally do it formally. I get the patent lawyer. I pay a patent lawyer $10,000 to push us to the patent office. And we settled on it because live mobile video, there's a lot of variances in it. You can go different routes in all directions. That was kind of late, 96, 2003. Yeah, I already lost, 7 years there. And I'm like, I thought, well, by now somebody's formally already published it, or published it. So they did a search just to confirm, to find out if we should move forward on it. The lawyer did a search. He had a patent office do a search in 2003. They did a search, and I was the only one that had live mobile video in 2003. So the lawyer was like, wow, he couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it, So he said, well, just to be sure, before we go forward on this, we'll do another search. So he had the patent office do another search, and sure enough, did a second search. I was the only one that had it in 2003. After 2003, a lot of people caught wind of what was going on, and they did a lot of other things, these construction sites with these mobile video things. And then, no one had it but me in 2003, put it that way. Okay. So we went forward on the patent, gave the other half, the other $5,000 or whatever he needed to get it done. And then total $10,000. Right around 2009, he says he needs more money. We're inches away from getting the patent, the patent examiner, all this rhetoric from the patent office, all this rhetoric from the lawyer. What the hell's going on? People trying to steal my shit, steal my language. So anyhow, and all of a sudden, I'm finished with the IRS. IRS money at that time, child support. I got all that cleared up. It's all cleared up. I didn't have any money at that time. I was having rough times. Obama messed up the country. On top of it, there was just no money to be found anywhere. Anyway, I'm recovered from the child support and IRS and all that stuff. Get back on my feet. I'm out in 2016. I'm looking around, and everybody's got live mobile videos. Twitter's got it. Facebook's got it. Everybody's got it. And what really blew me away is when I found out that Periscope, which is like 99.9% mine, sold it to Twitter for $100 million. So now I'm really pissed off. I get a hold of my lawyer, previous lawyer. He finally calls me back after a month of ignoring me, or 3 weeks, or whatever long it took. And he told me, Ben, what did I didn't. He never gave up. Well, I told him to pick it up later. Well, he said, well, I finished with you in 2009. Fine. He sent me the paperwork to my mailbox. I picked it up. I found a new lawyer. I had a free consultation with a new lawyer. He looked at this. The link. I gave him the link to the patent site, the patent office where my published patent is. He looked at it less than 5 minutes. He said, he said, we need to revive this. This is going to be huge, blah, 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 blah. And he was right. Well, I was right when I said it was worth $1 billion in 1996. Today, it's worth over $1 billion. I said, I'm going to need a letter. I'm going to need a letter to go to the banks and try to raise some money to pay you the fees and all these expenses that incur, in the patent process, the money I couldn't get previously. So anyway, because I didn't have any money previously. But anyway, there was no money to be found in 2009 that I knew of. But now, my lawyer did his research and found out that my patent is currently worth between $1 and $5 billion. So, that said, that means there's plenty of money. There's unlimited funds available from Google, from Twitter, from Facebook, from anywhere that's using my live mobile video application right now or infringing on my intellectual property, stealing it, in other words. There's unlimited money. Before I had no money. So now I'm entitled to lots and lots and lots of unlimited money. So this is what I'm going to do for you folks. I need $5,000 to pay his patent attorney. I need $1,200 to get my business reestablished. That's the business filed with the Secretary of State and all that stuff. And so to be a trucking company mixed with internet business. Okay, so $1,200 for that. Kickstarter's going to need some money. The remainder of the money will be sent out. I'll use that money to send a certificate out to whoever gets involved in this. It'll state on the certificate the first $1 million recovered after lawyer fees. Taxes, whatever's left over. I'm not an accountant, but definitely after lawyers' fees. I'll divide the 700,000, 500,000, 800,000, whatever the remainder is, and the first $1 million will be divided evenly to all the people that invest in the $10,000 startup that I need today on Kickstarter. Now, I'm going to post this video that you're watching now on YouTube. I don't know what the date is today, but let me just put it this way. It's 2016, September. I think it's wrong to do my left foot here. It's 10th today. Okay. I got this letter like the 8th. And so I'm acting on this. I went to the banks, I think it was yesterday. They said, they gave me the middle finger, told me to get out of their bank. The people on candid about it. So my only choice is crowdfunding, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to start off with Kickstarter. If Kickstarter can't raise the money, we'll go to another website, crowdfunding website. But anyway, you'll get a certificate. You'll get a certificate that says you're entitled to whatever is left of the first $1 million recovered, divided evenly, and that should get me going financially, where I can do just about anything when it comes to get more money to recover the money that was stolen from me, and then get my original application out, which is putting a camera in vehicles. You buy this camera that I sell you. People log in for $20. You keep 15. I get 5 for the bandwidth, and you get a residual check each month from a portion of the profits from Taxi Battle Mouth and accessories, and that includes advertising and everything else. So, I'm guessing maybe you buy the unit for $500, and you'll get a residual check each month for $3,000, just for owning that camera system. Excuse me. Hello. Okay. So hold on, son. I'm making a video. Hold on a second. So anyway, folks, I'm going to post this on the internet and just to let you folks know what's up. Please invest in my website today.